Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to locate nearby public Wi-Fi spots using Google. First things first, please open your browser and go to www.google.com and then type in the search bar Google Maps. So if you have an application on your mobile phone, open your Google Maps app. It's still the same. The steps is still the same. It's that reliable app we all know and love. Now take a look at the map and then go to the search bar and you can search free public Wi-Fi, or you can just search public Wi-Fi. So Google Maps will then give you a list of results showing where the free public Wi-Fi is. All you have to do is to click on the search result and then you can see where it is located. So click on the symbols to get more information about the spot. For example, here, this is the spot for the public Wi-Fi. So you'll see the name of the place, its address, and even reviews. So this helps you choose a spot that suits your needs. And that's it. You now know how to quickly find nearby public Wi-Fi spots using Google Maps. Whether you're traveling, out and about, or just need a change of scenery, staying connected is easier than ever. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to locate nearby public Wi-Fi spots using Google. See you on my next video.